Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Honda Goldwing with a California sidecar TRIKE kit has 66,517 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a J&M module, CD input interface, trailer hitch, aftermarket grips, passenger armrests, and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, an electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, electronic locking luggage, and an intercom. Comfort and style are elevated in the Goldwing, powered by a liquid-cooled 1832cc motor that puts 117 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. Already outfitted with spacious storage options, modern technology and responsive handling, the added stability of the California sidecar TRIKE kit provides confidence in every corner and journey. It has a 29.1-inch seat height and a stock dry weight of 919 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.